Good day, friends. In case you are wondering where your word will be in the next JAMB center, in the next JAMB exam, Dreams Tutorial Center is the best class to be. We are located at 4 Mega Olaboshide Christian, Perigbe Road, Ikorodu, Lagos. In case your distance is far and you want to connect with us online, we have one-on-one tutorial training, which should not be different from the online presence. You can call us on our number displayed on your screen and we'll be ready to help you. So let's start with our class or continue our class on motion. In case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Taiwo Michael Duebo is the best channel to view all your JAMB tutorial classes: maths, physics, chemistry, biology. Let's get started with this question. See, the velocity v of a space short in a time t is given by v equals to 25 plus 3t squared. Find the instantaneous acceleration at t equals to 9 seconds. Let's solve this problem. Before you can solve this problem, there is a concept we call differential calculus or differentiation. The application of differentiation in motion. So we are given the question here. We have v equals to 25 plus 3t squared. We have to find the acceleration. So acceleration is change in velocity over change in time, the v over dt. When you differentiate velocity with respect to time, it's going to give you acceleration. So when you differentiate a constant, you have 0. When you differentiate 3t squared, that means 2 times 3. 6t, you subtract 1 from this t, and that is 1. So when our t is equals to 9 seconds, we put 9 here, so that will give you 6 times 9, so that will give you 54 meter per second square. So the answer to the equation or to the question on the board is acceleration equals to 54 meters per second square. So I want to see our understanding of the concept I've just done now. By solving the second question, calculate the instantaneous velocity at 7 seconds of a rocket undergoing uniformly accelerated motion if the position is given by distance 5t plus 12t squared, where s is in meter and t is in second. I hope you have gained something in this video. I told you earlier that we have the physical presence at our physical presence. Dreams Tutorial Center is at 4 Mega Olaboshide Christian, Perigbe Road. Or you want to have an online training with us, our number or WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen that you can see now. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.